Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where to find all of your Safari tabs open and how you can close all of them at once. The first thing that you want to do, you want to click on your settings. When you're at your settings, you want to scroll down to the Safari option over here and then you want to click on it. When you're at Safari, you want to scroll down to the section that is called Clear History and Website Data. When you click on this, you have this small option underneath which it says Close All Tabs. So in our case, we have to take this on, and essentially this will close our number of open tabs at this point. This is very important because remember, when you open something on Safari, they didn't appear on the actual page next time when you come back and open a new page from Safari. This is not like the Google Chrome where everything is visible. These pages are on the background, they consume from your battery, and essentially this is not good because this might slow down your phone and your experience. So this is how you essentially do everything that will prevent draining of your battery. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.